babala po ito sa inyo. Huwag kayong masyadong malapitin sa mga babae. You will be assigned in different stations and you will be tempted. Lalo na pag may mamit kayo maganda, sexy. So, wag naman kayo masyadong playboy. Kaya I suggest and I urge you to be loyal and faithful to your wives.
Thank you, Congressman. You're referring to the soldiers, no? Not to the senator. Baka tayo mabahampas dito.
Tawa ng tawa yung pulis, oh.
Hindi mo makita sa payslip mo kung magkano yung natatanggap mo? O baka nahiya ka lang na malaman namin na puro loan yung kuan mo, yung payslip mo? Eh, kung ako, kung para sa anak ko, kahit na sa inyo na lahat yan. Ang isain na lang sa akin.
Meron
Basta
din,
makain lang ako na pang araw-araw, inyo na lahat ng pera yan.
meron din
Diba?
po akong ibang anak.
Meron pala. Yun ang problema. Mr. Chair,
Yes, Senator De La Rosa.
hindi mo makita sa payslip mo kung magkano yung natatanggap mo? O baka nahiya ka lang na malaman namin na puro loan yung kuan mo, yung payslip mo?
Your Honor, honestly,
Baka puro loan niya kaya mabigat sa kalooban mo na magbigay ng ganong halaga. Ganong laman.
andito po, Your Honor. I'm only receiving
Base pay lang, huwag na pakialaman yung iba. Excluding combat pay, hazard pay, allowances, tanggalin mo na. Sigurado may pagkain ka, may subsistence allowance yan, hindi na may pakialaman. May makakain ka pa.
Your Honor,
Allowance.
yung base pay po nung year 2000 for a Brigadier General was 91,058.
Ngayon.
Is 136 po. So there's a difference of 45,529, and if I am very much willing kahit 50,000 po ibigay.
50,000?
Opo. Kasi po para lang kasi para naman po sa anak ko. 45,000 ang difference, bigay ko po 50,000.
Kung ako, kung para sa anak ko, kahit na sa inyo na lahat yan. Ang isain na lang sa akin.
Meron
Basta
din,
makain lang ako na pang araw-araw, inyo na lahat ng pera yan.
meron din
Diba?
po akong ibang anak.
Meron pala. Yun ang problema.
Kaya po, at saka meron din po akong mga binabayaran na iba. So, yun lang po ang ano ko na
Okay.
perhaps it's already fair enough.
Maybe, Mr. Chair, yung motion ni Senator Risa kanina na magkukos tayo, I second that motion, baka para pag-usapan natin.
I know, Mr. Chair, from General Sibilia, is he giving support to his other children, his children during when he was still single, and his children with his child with the first wife, and how much?
Your Honor, for the information of this honorable body, nung nagkaroon po ako ng anak pagka binata, kinuha ko po yun, pinalaki, pinaaral, hanggang sa makatapos ng college.
Mr. Chair, I'm just asking how much. Are you giving support to
Is
your
it now?
first child and to your second child,
Yeah.
and how much?
Right now, Your Honor, because they are already living independently, they are living independently, and they are working. Hindi na po ang ano lang nila nanghihingi minsan pag kinakailangan, hindi po regular kasi may trabaho po sila. At actually lately nakausap ko, nag-request actually ng pang show money nila abroad kasi
So, ibig sabihin nyo, Mr. Chair, na wala na kayong, yung dalawa niyong unang anak ay of legal age na and working.
Yes,
Wala kayong moral obligation to support.
Gusto ko lang pong kasi may nabasa po ako na ang support po sa anak, hindi naman po natatapos yan ng kung kailangan ng anak ng suporta, like for instance, yung nag-request yung panganay ko na mag-masteral siya, kahit nagtatrabaho siya noon sa NDCP, sinuportahan ko siya. Yung suporta po hindi naman po nag-ihinto hanggat kayang or hanggat nangihingi yung anak.
That would be all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Mr. Chair,
Senator Pimentel.
sorry. Baka malay mo, sa sunod. Malay mo.
Hindi lang anghel po ako sa inyo.
Anyway,
Pwede
Mr.
mo
Chair,
akong stop. Yes, Representative Pimentel.
may I ask again the base pay of General Sevilla? She mentioned 90,000 ba yun? Colonel ba? General?
Diyan, andito po ang base pay ko po is 91,058
Okay.
current po.
Now, the base pay this is different from the net take-home pay. Yung po yung base pay nyo. So, magkano yung net take-home pay nyo? Wala ba kayong loan deduction? Yung talaga natatanggap po ninyo?
Actually po, sa totoo lang, I'm paying insurance premiums. That's why ang take home ko na lang po is 72,544. May loan din po ako na binabayaran sa sakyan. So, ako, kagaya ng sabi ko kanina, willing akong ibigay na yung 50.
No, wait. Ang tanong ko, magkano net take-home pay mo?
Kagaya ng...
Kasi yun muna ang i-establish natin.
Apo.
Because that might be misleading. Iba ho yung base pay, no? He said 91,000. Magkano talaga net take-home pay mo? Less all the deductions, salary, amortization, whatever.
72,000 base po dito sa sa payslip ko po. It's only 72,544.
So every month yung po natatanggap ninyo.
Opo.
And out of that, you are willing to give 50,000 pesos.
Yeah po. Opo.
To my colleagues, I think that is more than fair enough. In fact, hindi lang po 50% yung binibigay niya, it's already more than 50%. However, if ever we will come into an agreement with the nominee, I think the nominee should execute a deed of assignment. So that, ang mangyayari niyan, yung sweldo mo, yung sweldo nyo, dalawang check yan. One check will be in your name, one check will be in the name of the oppositor. Because if we do not do that, kung hindi salary deduction, we cannot get any assurance. Kung siya lang ang pong magbibigay, how can we get assurance na matutuloy yun? Well, at this point, siguro daw papayag si General Sevilla, just lang para lang siya ma-confirm, pero how can we be assured na itutuloy yung bayad? So it should be through salary deduction. Ngayon, ang pangalawang tanong, assuming he has already signified his intention na magbigay ng 50,000, is the oppositor willing to accept that agreement? So we should ask that. Baka tayo lang nag-uusap, pero iba naman ang nasa isip ng oppositor. So magkakaupos po kami, basta meron na siyang sinabi na willing siya. Kaya ito, sa mga lahat ng nominees, babala po ito sa inyo. Huwag kayong masyadong malapitin sa mga babae. You will be assigned in different stations and you will be tempted. Lalo na pag may mamit kayo maganda, sexy. So, wag naman kayo masyadong playboy. Kaya magkakaroon kayo ng problema. Look at what happened to General Sevilla. Kaya I suggest and I urge you to be loyal and faithful to your wives. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Sir,
Senator Bongo.
sundalo naman po yan sila. Mabait yan. Tawa ng tawa yung pulis, oh.
Iba talaga pag mga dad natin, mason. Iba talaga. Before we proceed, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of Senator Ramon Bong Revilla Jr. Morning, sir. Okay. Can you repeat your advice? Representative Pimentel.
Hindi ko
Be
na-advise-
faithful
Hindi ko
to,
na-advise kay Senator Bong yun.
be faithful to your wife. Wives.
In the case of General Sevilla, wives yun. Pero doon sa nominee's wife lamang.
Thank you.
Congressman, you're referring to the soldiers, no? Not to the senator. Baka tayo mabahampas dito.
Light moments lang yun. Para saya, kasyado tayong serious. Anyway, Senator Wongo, please, sir. Okay na?
Yes, I would like to, again, the chair would like to recognize the Senator Risa Ontiveros to make a proper motion to suspend the deliberation and for the committee to proceed to have a caucus.
Salamat kaayo, Mr. Chair. Before I make that motion on the instruction of the chair, I just want to make of record and in the hearing po ng ating lahat ng mga kagalang-galang na opisyal ng AFP, something that we've been learning these past 2 weeks, masakit pero napaka-importanting prosesong ito. Earlier we were talking about base pay and half of base pay. Confident po ako, Mr. Chair, na mariresolve natin yan in caucus. No need anymore here in open hearing because no wife and no children should have to beg for basic proper child support. Sabi ko nga last week nung nag-uusap kami ni na chair and yung mga kaming magkakasama sa komite, this is really also a teaching moment for all our institutions. Kasi hindi lang po sa inyo, sirs, ma'am, sa AFP, kahit kaming lahat, mga kasama niyong nagtatrabaho sa gobyerno, we know in principle that character is just as important kasing timbang ng competence. And dun sa sinabi ng mista ko kanina, it's essentially important we take care of all of those we should take care of sa ating trabaho at sa ating personal and family life. Ako po bilang PNP widow at yung at least isa pang kasama ko dito sa komite na spouse sa Army, alam po namin kung ganong karaming mga opisyal ay maayos na inaalagaan ng inyong mga pamilya. But there's also still a lot of pain dahil sa ganitong mga issue. And I only wish, as we all move forward, na for one, at ito na nabanggit ko to kay Chair noon, appeal po mula sa miyembrong ito ng komite, narinig na rin po ni CA Chair SP President Mig Subiri, appeal po dun sa 2 boards ng Armed Forces na in charge sa mga promotions, ang Board of Senior Officers at saka Board of Generals, na sana sa loob na po ng kanilang mga board, maayos yung ganitong mga problema, yung ganitong mga gusot bago pa umakyat sa CA. Kasi sabi na rin po namin noon, hindi naman po kami family court at dapat sana ma-address po at ma-resolve yung ganitong mga issue bago iakyat sa CA. So having said that po, Mr. Chair, in solidarity rin with lahat ng mga wives at widows sa ating mahalagang institusyon, armed and uniformed institutions ng ating Estado, I move to suspend the deliberation on the ad interim appointment of General Sevilla so the committee can go into caucus. I so move, Mr. Chair.
There's a motion being seconded. Hearing no objection, hereby approved.